Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can find Messi on the FIFA 23. Okay, so let's go for the customize, edit teams, club transfers, and right now we have to go and change country. We have to go for the Ligue 1 and pick Paris Saint-Germain. As you can see, when you open the team, Messi will appear on the second place of this table. So that's the same rating with the Kylian Mbappé, 91, the highest rating of this club, and one of the highest on the FIFA 23. And if you want to transfer Messi to another team, you have to click X and then change league and also team, and confirm also with the X. So yeah, Messi you can find in the Paris Saint-Germain in the France team. Yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.